You can order the alternator used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Honda Accord Car Battery. In order to remove the alternator, you need to remove the serpentine belt from the alternator pulley. We recommend taking a picture or to draw the path of the belt around the different pulleys in order to position it correctly later. Using a 14mm offset wrench, loosen the belt by turning the serpentine belt tensioner clockwise. Here's a tip. You can enlarge the lever by inserting a socket into an extender and putting it onto the end of the offset wrench, which will help you loosen the belt. Meanwhile, remove the serpentine belt from the power steering pulley, then from the various pulleys. Disconnect the power cables from the alternator. Next, using a flathead screwdriver, unclip the electrical harness located on the alternator. Using a ratchet and a long 12mm socket, unscrew the upper retaining bolt of the alternator. Unscrew the two lower bolts using the same tools. You can now remove the alternator. Remove the rubber protection. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the nut holding the positive terminal of the alternator. Then remove the terminal. You can now pull out the alternator by repeating steps shown in the video. You can order the alternator used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new alternator. Unscrew the nut from the positive terminal. Put the alternator back into its housing. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Replace the positive terminal. Then screw the nut back on. Put the rubber protection back on. Put the upper retaining bolt back in place. Screw the bolt back in roughly by hand. Do the same with the two lower retaining bolts. Then screw them back in with a ratchet until they make contact. Finish the tightening of the bolts with a torque wrench. Reclip the electrical harness. Put the electrical connector back in. Replace the serpentine belt. Then release the belt tensioner to fully extend the belt. Before starting your car again, check that the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.